everybody, this is Miss Judy. Today we're going to talk about colors. I love colors. And today we're going to look at the color orange. Oh, I have a lot of things that are the color orange. I have an orange pencil. What else is orange? Let me see. I have an orange tape. Oh my goodness, guess what I found? An orange, and it's orange. Everybody say orange. Orange. I love orange. Let me see what else I have in my bag. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Oh, I see something orange. Let's see what it is. Oh, look. I have an orange top. That's my favorite top. I love the color orange. Now, boys and girls, guess what I want you to do? Go look for anything that's the color orange. I'll see you next time I come around. Bye-bye.